Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Debarim, Deuteronomy Chapter 31. And Mushah went and spoke these words to all Jashari'al, and he said to them, This day I am 120 years old. I cannot go out and come in any more. Also, Yahuwah has said to me, You will not go over this Yarden. Yahuwah your Elohim, he will go over before you. He will destroy these nations from before you. Then you will possess them. Yahushua, he will go over before you, as Yahuwah has said. And Yahuwah will do to them like he did to Sihon and to Og, kings of the Amori, and to the land of those who he destroyed. Moreover, Yahuwah will give them up before your face, that you may do to them according to all the commandments which I have commanded you. Be strong and of good courage. Fear not, nor be afraid of them. For Yahuwah your Elohim is he who will go with you. He will not fail you, nor forsake you. Then Mushah called to Yahushua and said to him in the sight of all Jashari'al, Be strong and of good courage, for you must go with these people to the land which Yahuwah swore to their fathers to give them, and you will cause them to inherit it. And Yahuwah is he who goes before you. He will be with you. He will not fail you, nor forsake you. Fear not, nor be dismayed. Also, Mushah wrote this teaching, and delivered it to the priests, the sons of Lehi, who bore the ark of the covenant of Yahuwah, and to all the elders of Jashari'al. Furthermore, Mushah commanded them, saying, At the end of 7 years, in the appointed year of release, during the feast of Sukkot, when all Jashari'al has come to appear before Yahuwah your Elohim in the place which he will choose, you will read this teaching before all Jashari'al in their hearing. Gather the people together, men and women, and children, and your immigrants who are within your gates, that they may hear and that they may learn and revere Yahuwah your Elohim, and observe to do all the words of this teaching, so that their children who have not known may hear and learn to revere Yahuwah your Elohim, as long as you live in the land where you go over the Yarden to possess. Then Yahuwah said to Mushah, Behold, your days approach that you must die. Call Yahushua and present him in the appointed tent. Then I will commission him. Therefore Mushah and Yahushua went and presented themselves in the appointed tent. And Yahuwah appeared in the tabernacle in a pillar of a cloud, and the pillar of the cloud stood over the door of the tabernacle. Then Yahuwah said to Mushah, Behold, you will sleep with your fathers, and these people will rise up and go whoring after the deities of the foreigners of the land, where they go to be among them, and forsake me, and break my covenant which I have made with them. Then in that day my anger will be kindled against them, and I will forsake them, and I will hide my face from them, and they will be devoured. Also many evils and troubles will befall them, so that they will say during that day, Have these evils come upon us, because our Elohim is not among us? Surely I will hide my face during that day, because of all the evils which they will work in turning towards other deities. Now therefore, write this song for yourself, and teach it to the children of Jashari'al. Put it in their mouths, so that this song may be a witness for me within the children of Jashari'al. For when I bring them into the land, which I swore to their fathers that flows with milk and honey, and they have eaten and filled themselves, and have grown fat, then they will turn to other deities and serve them, and provoke me, and break my covenant. Therefore it will come to pass, when many evils and troubles have befallen them, that this song will testify unto their face like a witness, because it will not be forgotten from the mouths of their seed. For this day I know the intentions he will do, even before I bring us into the land that I swore. Furthermore, that same day Mushah wrote and taught this song to the children of Jashari'al. Moreover, he commissioned Yehoshua the son of Nun, and said, Be strong and of good courage, for you will bring the children of Jashari'al into the land which I swore to them, and I will be with you. It came to pass, as it was completed, Mushah stopped writing the words of this teaching in the Sefer. Then Mushah commanded the Levim, who carried the ark of the covenant of Yahweh, saying, Take the Sefer of the teaching, and put it in the side of the ark of the covenant of Yahweh, your Elohim, so that it may be there as a witness for you. Because I know your rebellion and your stiff-neckedness. Behold, while I am still alive with you this day, you have been rebellious against Yahweh. Therefore, how much more after my death? Gather unto me all the elders of your tribes, and your officers, that I may speak these words in their ears, and with them I will testify to the heavens and earth. For I know that after my death surely you will be corrupted, and turn aside from the way which I have commanded you, and evil will befall you in the latter days, because you will do evil in the sight of Yahweh, to provoke him to anger through the work of your hands.